This time on Second Chance Ohana.
Hey guys, we found this cute little table with 2 chairs listed at $40, and we were like, hey, we feel like we can give that a quick cleanup, sell it for higher. So that's what we're going to do with this piece. We're going to clean it up, take beautiful pictures of it, and then sell it hopefully for much higher than we bought it for. We hope you'll join us if we see if we can give this baby a second chance. Aloha, I'm Dani. In 2016, I moved from Maui to Arizona with my husband so we could be closer to my mom and pops who lived just a few miles away. On our journey, Kyle and I expanded our family by adopting 3 tweens and Barkley, who helps make sure everyone feels like part of the Ohana. Mom and I love to hunt for used furniture and restore it because it's so much fun to be creative, use power tools, and of course, make money. And because like people, sometimes furniture just needs a second chance. So you found this cute little table on Craigslist, Mom. Yep. And it was listed for $40, and we were like, hey, that is just the right price for a quick flip because it seemed a little underpriced. We figured we could do some quick cleaning, quick touch-ups, and then sell it for higher. But there are some challenges we've noticed. Mom, you want to share kind of what we think we need to do to this piece?
Yes, so while I just love the pattern of the wood on top here, it is looking a little worn. And I didn't notice at first, but there is a little bit of water damage and some bubbling and some chips along the edge. So I am going to try to restore it with Howard's Restore Finish very quickly. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to be taking it down to the bare wood and restaining and then, protecting it with 3 coats of top coat. The other thing is, I'm just really excited about the fabric that I picked up from Goodwill yesterday.
For the cushions, because when we got the chairs, we realized the chairs are definitely worn down and a little dirty, but beyond repair. And so,
the fabric on the cushions.
Oh, there it is.
Wow, where'd this come from?
Yeah, and so you found this at Goodwill yesterday for $6.
And this is way more than enough to recover both chairs.
And it's nice because it's actually a curtain, so it's a nice thick fabric that's going to be great for upholstery anyway.
Yeah.
It's not just cotton. And then, look at the colors, like how great the tones go with the wood. It's going to be adorable. I like it way better than what's on here now.
Yes.
So hopefully we can bust this baby out. Hopefully you don't have to strip it down and sand it down, but we'll do what we need to do. But yeah, do the quick stapling, refinishing of the cushions, and get it posted. See if we can make this a quick flip.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so on you, Mama.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so we have sold the table and chairs.
Yay.
Our first quick flip that we've recorded on video. Not quite as quick as we were hoping it'd be, but it still wasn't too bad. So we purchased it for $40. So we put about 25 materials into it. And we sold it at our asking price of $195 after 9 days. We were just about to lower the price. And then someone came along and was like, I want it. I'm coming today. So that was awesome. We didn't even have to reduce the price. So we made profit about $130. And after we realized it was about 4 hours of work total, that we profited about $35 an hour. So I would say definitely reasonable for an easy, quick flip. It just wasn't as quick as we thought it'd be. So what problems did you run into, Mom?
The biggest problem I found was that I could not get those bubbles underneath the veneer. I couldn't get them out. So I spent a lot of time sanding and messing with that. It didn't work, so I just had to do the best I could, restain it and reseal it with a top coat.
And we had to reseal a couple times because the finish was looking a little weird. So we had to sand down with 600 grit sandpaper, which we hadn't used before. So it was just, there was a learning curve. But
absolutely,
the cushions turned out great, and the buyer loved the fabric. Loved it, loved the color of it, loved the size of it. She was moving in to a new, they were downsizing, moving into a new townhome, and she doesn't really have a big kitchen area. So it was the perfect spot for that. And she was beyond thrilled.
In the future, what I would do differently is when I go to buy that piece of furniture, especially if it's a table, I'm really going to have to check for the damage to the veneer on the tabletop.
Because it has a propensity for so much water damage, and that's often why people are selling those kinds of things for inexpensive or giving them away for free if you're picking up free furniture. Look for that water damage, because if you're not going to replace the tabletop, it's going to take a lot of effort to make it look decent.
Yeah, and the other thing that I learned is, you know what, every piece is not going to turn out perfect, and still there are people out there who are going to love it.
That's true, because we even showed her a couple of the marks that were still there, and she was like, no, it's perfect, I'll put a centerpiece on it, it'll look great. So she was thrilled, even though we were 100% stoked about the final outcome. All right, so, but that one's one and done, another one in the books.
There we go.
Barkley's excited about it, aren't you, Barkley? You excited we sold the table and chairs? You like that lady, she was nice, huh?